So as you can see, I'm in the process of removing my hood-to-cowl weather stripping. It's not actually my car, just the parts car, but you want to get these nails out of here. These are special nails. They have a 45-degree thread on them to help hold them in place. So how we want to get them out is you can grab them with your pliers and just, kind of rock these back and forth and twist them around until you just start to see them move a little bit. And normally it's really quite a pain. You can try and pry them. You just don't want to break the head off. Just to get them moving a little bit. There we go. And then to get them out, we can get them with the pliers here. And you want to, it's lefty loosey, but also pull up. I don't think this one's loose enough. As you can see, these can be quite the pain. So let's try this here. Should be a little better now. Hit it with the pliers again. There we go. As we can see, this is turning, so we turn and pull up. And that was honestly easy enough. So we can look at the thread here. It's a little hard to see on camera. There we go. You can see it has that 45-degree thread. So once you get the rust broken loose, twist and pull up. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.